Good evening, football critics. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Nhlanhla Nhlakazini Mdima, and I am back with another post-match video. Man. Eish, 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 eish. Mamelodi Sundowns drop points against the Siwelele. Siwelele 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Um, yeah, a nice game if you're a neutral. Interesting game, ngempela. I really, really enjoyed the game. Um, I'll speak about the playing side from a little bit. I just want to start about speaking uh, about the fan base esiwelele. As I was watching the game, I felt a lot of nostalgia in that game. You know, ama fans esiwelele. Like ngivele ngakhumbula iCeltic, iBloemfontein Celtic. I used to love watching iCeltic. Mainly because of ama fans le eBloemfontein. They are so passionate, bayacula, and they come in numbers, they wear their jerseys. Um, so nje, I was just reminded by Loco. It's something that I really, really missed kule game le, and credit to our fans esiwelele. I thought they played a huge role in this game. They were like the 12th man yesiwelele, and it was nice to see, man. Really, really nice to see. So when you get into the game, frustrating game from Sundowns. Look at the first half. Not so much from Sundowns creativity wise. It reminded me of the first half against the MC Alger, where you see Uti, the opposition idlala nayo Sundowns is trying to be compact defensively and trying not to give Sundowns too many spaces in behind, or in between, like my pockets. And that's exactly what Siwelele did, and they did it really well. Siwelele can defend really well. I've seen Siwelele in games, especially in big games. I-defense yabo is really good. Usolid indlela excuse, isolid indlela abashape ngayo uSiyema, and they'll come right futhi Siwelele. I thought they defended really well in the first half. They never gave Sundowns a lot of opportunities. But the Sundowns, from their own perspective, they lack creativity. I don't know. I thought ukuthi Nuno Santos is a number 10 that's gonna be you know, creative in the number 10 role, just behind the striker. Yabo, find the Loma pocket, and also add some goals. I mean, he does have goals in him, but I feel like from a creative point of view, he doesn't do enough. He doesn't do enough. Kuze kwangcono second half uma sekungena uSalez benozwana. uSalez, who I think is having an incredible season, by the way, for his Sundowns. He's their most creative spark in that Sundowns team this season. My Engeko Sundowns is not that penetrative, if I'm being totally honest. And uyabona ukuthi i-Sundowns kule bhola lila Cardoso, you can see ukuthi le bhola lila Cardoso really needs an on-form creative monster of a number 10. Last season they had it with Lokunja, Ribeiro, and he was terrorizing. And this season, as much as they do have it in Nusales, firstly, he's not getting that much game time, and he's not to Ribeiro. He is creative, but he's not tricky as a Ribeiro. Yeah, boy, he's not that silk enyaweni njengo Ribeiro, but he's creative. He's their most creative spark. Good to see Umshishi coming on. I thought there was an opportunity he could have scored there, but yeah, man. First half, it was really, really, really frustrating for his Sundowns. Even the goal that they conceded, mistake. Yeah, goalkeeper and the centre back. Firstly, Johannes, I don't think he should have played that ball, especially ngale ndlela adlale ngayo, too casual, waliphasa kancane. Like umfaka enkingeni uRonza, nakhona uRonza naye, he was too casual naye. He could have dealt with it better. They got punished. Now they were chasing the game. Vele, you're playing a team that's already playing a low block. The game was already going to be 10 times more difficult. But they second half was better for Sundowns, and Isiwelele was born second half. They are just playing to to take what they can get, basically. But Sebezama defend the lead. They were not really trying to attack that much. Um, and then lama changes la wa coach uKadoso really helped ukufaka uSalez benomshishi. It's just to create to add that creative spark, and bonile nalela goli abalikorile Sundowns, the intricate movement into the box, and it's something they did not do at all in the first half. They did it really like ngempela second half, and then they got that goal from Umotiba. The red card, let's be honest, guys, that wasn't a red card. I don't know mina ngalo ref lo abongile Tom. It's just not a good referee in my opinion. Lo ref lwana nje akekho mnandi esipanini sakhe. Like akekho mnandi. I don't know, mina. maybe I'm not the only one. I hope I'm not the only one who complaining ngaye, but it's just not good. He's an amateur referee in my opinion. Amateur nje referee. uTebza got the ball clean nje lapha. It shouldn't have been a second red card in my opinion. Bekungamele, and then nilimazile Sundowns, because I thought if uLokunja uTebza did not get that second yellow card, I thought Sundowns, they were gonna end up winning the game. I thought they were gonna find that second goal, but ke ureferee wenza izinto zakhe, and uTebza, like, he's really creative. He's really solid in that number 6 role. His Sundowns, from everything, from a marking point of view, tackles, interceptions, ball playing, progressing the baller. I don't know whether Sundowns has a number 6 like that if Utebs is not playing. I don't know, because Batusi Opas, it doesn't do what Utebs does. I saw it with my own eyes in that game against when they played the Orlando Pirates, when Pirates should have punished that Sundowns midfield, but they didn't. I worrying a Sundowns when Debs is not there. I seriously do, because he's so important in that Sundowns team. He's very important. I don't know what Sundowns plays next in the league. Hopefully they don't play a team that's really good in attacker, because I don't know whether they will be able to keep. I don't know whether Ubatusi Opas will able to keep that opposition team's defense quiet. So I'm really worried for his Sundowns. But nonetheless, man, dropping points in the game late is really frustrating for his Sundowns, especially now since you're chasing ED. Now you are 5 points behind the Orlando Pirates that has a game in hand. No, not 5 points. They are 2 points. Yeah, 2 points. 2 points away. If Pirates wins their game in hand, they are 5 points clear. So it's becoming really tough now this season. This is where I feel like Sundowns now will be really tested in their resilience, because they're not used to chasing the Sundowns. Over the past season, they've never chased. They've always been the one that the other teams look up to and chase. Yeah, so this season now they're gonna be the chasers. So it's gonna be really interesting. Will season. I saw Chiefs now through that game. I didn't watch that game. Yeah, now we're dropping points. It's disappointing, but it's interesting, man. It's interesting this season. I do want league to go elsewhere. I'm sorry, Masandawana, but I feel like PSL needs a new champion. It needs a new champion. But yeah, man, great game that I watched today. Sundowns Nasiwelele. Really nice from a neutral point of view. really nice game. I don't know about you Sundowns fans. You can let me know in the comments what's in yeah, man, that's it from me. It's your boy Nhlanhla Nhlakzin Mdima. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We talk and breed football all the time. And yeah, man, we will see you on the next one. Hola.